not this unusually large man, then you are likely doomed.
Drax!
Stop rock and roll from existence.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Big Bang. Of the galaxy.
We have no room on our ship to use the guard.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?